In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video into a design on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, an infographic, or any other type of visual project, embedding a video can be a fantastic way to engage your audience. So, let's dive right into it. You'll want to start by opening up your Visme project. Once you have your project open, navigate to the specific slide or canvas where you desire to place your video. That's your workspace, and getting the setup right is the first step to incorporating multimedia effectively into your design. Now, over on the left sidebar of your Visme interface, you'll see a section labeled Media. Click on this, and you'll find a category for videos. Once you're there, you need to switch over to the Embed tab. Alternatively, Visme provides another route. You can use the Apps or Integrations option and select YouTube directly from there. This versatility is one of the perks of using Visme, giving you multiple pathways to achieve your project's goals. When you're ready and you've selected YouTube as your source, it's time to get the YouTube video link. Head over to YouTube, copy the URL of your chosen video, and then return to Visme. Paste that link into the field provided in Visme. This step is where you're linking your video with your design, and ensuring you have the correct video URL is crucial. At this point, depending on your needs, you may have several embed settings available to adjust. You might see options for autoplay, muting the video, looping it, setting a specific start time, or choosing whether or not to show video controls. These settings can make a big difference in how the video integrates into your presentation, letting you tailor the viewing experience precisely. Once you have everything configured to your liking, click to insert the video into your design. With a simple click, the video appears right on your canvas. From here, it's all about making sure it looks right with your other elements. You can resize it, move it to a different location, or layer it with other design components. Being able to seamlessly adjust your video allows it to harmonize perfectly with your overall design vision. Finally, it's good practice to preview your project. Use Visme's present mode or any other preview feature available. This step is an opportunity to ensure the video is playing correctly and everything looks just as you intended. Seeing your design come to life with the video will give you a chance to make any final adjustments before your project goes live. And there you have it, a straightforward way to insert a YouTube video into your Visme design. This technique can really enhance the way you communicate through visuals, making your content more dynamic and engaging. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see how you incorporate videos into your future projects.